my friends.
Oh, this is heavy. Oh, you're so heavy, darling. For me?
That's not for you.
Oh, I will. Oh, my friends. I'm so
Okay.
tired. I can tell you so
No,
much.
don't tell me. Go back. Go back.
We're going back
Okay?
to
Bye,
imaginary
darling.
world.
Come on, go to
Bye, my
imaginary.
friends. I will
Bye,
miss
bye.
you all.
Bye, 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 bye. Hi, my friend. On this video I will show you how to make the chairs. Very tiny chair for your dolls. So just watch my video, and if you have any question, just ask or leave a comment. I will be very happy to answer. And as you can see on the video, I'm measuring about 4 centimeters wide and about 6 centimeters high on the chair's back. So just watch and enjoy the process. Here I'm using wood glue, and also I measured the legs, and after really carefully give a shape. Also make sure to smooth your wood before you varnish. Okay guys, so that is, we continue to make a chair. To get best result, you need to varnish 3, 4, 5 times if you need, and leave it overnight to get dry very properly. And after, you can decorate with any color you like a gold or any acrylic paint. That will do. I'm using acrylic paint, to gold acrylic paint, to give some little bit decoration to the chair. We're nearly finishing making our chair, and for decoration you can use any beads, whatever you like it, or some ribbon. So I hope you like my video, and please don't forget to subscribe and like, guys. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.